It was great to see everyone during the evening to celebrate the successes and achievements of all the sports that college engages with on a Wednesday afternoon. And also this year we've celebrated the success of the D&V Gold members that went up to Buckingham Palace with staff from the Sport and Public Services Department.
Yeah, no, it was brilliant to win there because I was gutted I went there because I was away with football that day with Wales. So yeah, one of the girls texted me and they were like, "Oh, you've just won it." And I was like, "What?" I couldn't believe it. Yeah, it was brilliant because as you can see, there's so many other people that was like up for that award and like so many different people won different awards.
To win the awards, I feel great. I feel like I've put a lot of hard work in the last 2 years in college and the rugby side of it. I've played for Ospreys under-18s in the rag block. Then I've just signed a contract with Aberafan, so with the Ospreys they've given me that opportunity then to sign for big clubs like Aberafan.
Holly Fletcher won the Kieran Sparrow Award. This was to commemorate a past student, Kieran Sparrow, who studied with us. Kieran was an A-level student and also a budding rugby player, but sadly during his year with us he passed away suddenly, and this award is to commemorate him and for a student that achieved both sporting and academic success.
It's great to win the Kieran Sparrow Award. Feels amazing. And it's great to represent him. Unfortunately, I wasn't at the Sports Awards last week because I was representing my team and my country for Wales with hockey. I was playing against different countries. It was a great experience, especially for my age. Since September, I got selected for the under-18s team. And then, yeah, my hockey's just progressed from there, especially with my team as well. And then within college, my grades have just gone higher, especially since coming from school. So since the start of this academic year, I've been twice called up for the Wales senior squad, which is everyone's dream. It was unbelievable, we all crying and everything, but there we go. Played in Euro qualifiers for Wales 17s as captain as well, scored a goal in that. Been to 2 Euro qualifiers, one Group A, one Group B. It has been difficult. It's been good, but obviously hard on times because I go from doing a full college day to then doing no college and going on camp. Obviously on camp we have education time, so it allows me to then do my college work. And then all the lecturers, all the teachers have been really good to me. They've been sending me in work. Even the girls in my class have been like, "Look, Elena, this will be done today. Just do this, just do that." It has been difficult in times because obviously I train so many hours a week. And then I obviously come here. It has been hard, but I think it's very beneficial.
Yeah, so I've been hitting my target grades with the college, even though juggling rugby and college at the same time is a bit difficult for me, because maybe I put like too much effort into one thing, but I'm hitting my target grades. The lecturers always say if I put as much work into my college work as I do with rugby, I'll be much better in college as well. Yeah, the night in the Sports Awards was good. Everyone had a good laugh. The lecturers actually said some very nice stuff about me and the boys. Jack then, who's obviously captain for the Welsh squad, is to have someone there giving you advice on like your rugby is like a bit mind-blowing, to be honest.